In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share your GoDaddy domain with Delegate Access. Start by making sure you are signed in to your GoDaddy account and viewing your account dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile name or account menu. From the drop-down list, select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage important account options. In the Account Settings section, find and open Delegate Access. This is where you can allow another person to help manage parts of your GoDaddy account without giving them your login details. On the Delegate Access page, click the option that says Grant Access, Invite to Access, or any similar button shown for adding a delegate. A new form will open so you can begin the invitation process. Enter the contact information for the person you want to give access to. After that, review the details you entered and continue to the Permissions section. Here, you will choose the level of access you want that person to have. Select the permissions that match what you want them to manage. Depending on your needs, this can include access to domains, products, or other account-related features. Be careful to give only the permissions that are necessary. This helps keep your account secure while still allowing the other person to do their work. Once you have selected the correct permissions, click Send Invitation. GoDaddy will then send the access request to the invited user. You will need to wait for that person to receive the invitation and complete the approval process. The invited user should open the email message from GoDaddy and follow the instructions provided to accept the Delegate Access request. Until they accept, the access will remain pending. After the invitation has been accepted, go back to the Delegate Access page in your GoDaddy account. From there, you can view all active delegates connected to your account. You can also manage existing access at any time. If you ever need to make changes, use the same Delegate Access page to edit permission levels or remove a delegate completely. This gives you full control over who can access your account and what they are allowed to manage. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.